Welcome to our guide on how to cargo your bike from Rawalpindi to Lahore via train cargo. Required documents: 1 bike registration card, original copy. 2 owners copy. 3 vehicle verification form provided by police. Step 8: get a vehicle verification certificate at the police center nearby. Fee: Rs 550. Time required 15-30 minutes. The police center is open from सुबह के 9 बजे to रात के 11 बजे, closed on Sundays. Step 2: visit the railway cargo department at Rawalpindi Railway Station. Cargo fee for CD sector Rs 1500. Optional rating Rs 500. The railway station is open 24 hours. Processing time approximately 30 minutes. Step 3: fill 2 forms at the cargo office. Attach copies of police verification certificate, bike registration, and copy. Bike inspection by police is mandatory. Check chassis engine number and ensure the fuel tank is empty. Get a stamp form from police. Step 4: submit your verified documents to the railway department and hand over the bike at test. Transit time standard 3 days. If already shipped, arrives in Lahore in 5 hours. Confirm shipping status with railway step. Recap of all steps on screen. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe for more helpful guides.